With this video, I want to start a new section of the course, which is going to show you a client of mine's business that I helped to take from $0 to $1 million a year business. And it's going to give you two business plans: the business plan on day 0, on day 1, and the business plans 2 years later when this business hit $1 million plus in revenue per year. So it's a real example. All the data is going to be real. I was there from the very beginning, not really from the beginning, because this entrepreneur had a 20-year career in this industry, but I was essentially at the beginning of the sales of this particular product, and I'll walk you all the way through it. So that first, I'll walk you through the business plan that was the business plan before this business started. And after, I'll show you the differences of the business plan 2 years later once it hit that $1 million a year plus revenue threshold. To give you a little background, the website you can visit yourself. It's groutinfo.com. It was started by Jeff White, who since then became my friend. And Jeff had a long career where he had a service business, which was not exactly this business. The service business was that he literally went to people's homes and he cleaned grout lines. If you're not sure what grout is, I'll show you what it is. You see, it's the tiles. Between the tiles, there's white, you see, and they get dark, they get dirty. Dirt gets in there, and that's grout. So the cleaning service was to go to people's bathrooms and clean their kitchens, literally scrubbing it. And it's hard work. And Jeff, the founder of this company, Jeff White, he did that for a long time. And then he came up with this product, Grout Ease, this bottled product that you see right here. And this product is the one that he began selling. And so it's a different business than a service business. This is going to be an e-commerce business. Basically, commerce and e-commerce. E-commerce is selling online. Commerce is selling everywhere. And it's a good example because it's real. We have real data. It's a success story. And it's a different example than we've seen before. Before was a local business, which is a really common business. This example is e-commerce, which is also a very common business. Probably altogether, it covers most of the businesses that are planned on this in this course. So now that you understand the business, you understand the product, you understand where it's come from, let's get started with the business plans.